Yogi Clan, what is up, y'all? So it is Saturday here in North Carolina. It is hot as Satan's and we have the CMOU dirt track races. So I figured today would be an awesome day to test run a new product. So I got this from Kemimoto. It is a saddlebag cooler. See it there? It is shaped like the Harley touring saddlebags. You can see Kemimoto up here. It has a carry handle with a Velcro little top. It has a shoulder strap if you want to carry this anywhere. It has two zippers and a little Ziploc little flap here. And the two zippers, you can grab each and unzip them both at the same time. Kind of like this. You undo the flap, grab this, and unzip. And inside, you will see it is a lined saddlebag liner. So what we are going to do today is I got a whole case of water. We're going to see how many we can fit in, and I have a bag of ice in the freezer. So because it's going to be so bloody hot, we're going to go ahead and fill this up, fill the saddlebag up with water. That way me and my brothers today got some water, and we'll take you along for the adventure. So let's test this out in the saddlebag, see how it works. Alright, let's open up the saddlebag. Go ahead, drop this in here. Looks like it'll fit pretty good. Let's start loading it up with water. I don't know if these are better to lay down or stand up. Let's do stand up. It does fit in there pretty good. Alright, we got 12 in there. Let's get some ice. Let's do a time check. It is 1:01. Yeah, it zips up nicely. Seal it off. Look at that. I could lift this up and pull it out, but I think we'll have trouble getting it back in. So we're just going to leave that. Close the lid. Saddlebag is loaded up. We are ready to go. Let's get changed. Head over to the dirt track. And we'll probably be there till about 11 o'clock tonight. So definitely going to need that water. Let's see how this cooler performs. All right, y'all. Let's go for a ride. I forgot to look. I'm sorry.
7:14.
Sorry, 7:14.
Yeah.
7:14. Okay. Vincent, are you thirsty?
Sure.
Yeah, one left.
That's pretty cool.
3 left. Still got 3 left. Cooler than air temperature. It's cooler than room temperature.
And it's way cooler than it would be sitting in your saddlebag all afternoon.
Yes.
Yeah. So.
Okay. All right, let's zoom it back up. Keep going. So for $74.99 for the saddlebag cooler, do you think it's worth the investment?
And your bike, because you've got the room, then yeah, probably. Now, I mean, I guess it just depends on if you want to tie up a whole saddlebag into a cooler.
Right.
Yeah, you know what I mean? And so it just kind of depends on what your riding style is. But for that, yes, we got a cold drink. You've had ice in it since 1 o'clock this afternoon. It's now 7:15, and it's been 95 degrees out here. Yeah, we're parked in the shade, so probably 85 degrees that your bike's been sitting in.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's pretty cool. So if you're just doing day riding like this, and you don't really need your saddlebag, then yeah, I mean, $75 isn't bad for cold drinks while you're out riding around.
And you can also, instead of using it as a cooler, I guess you could use it as a saddlebag liner.
Yeah.
You just want to be careful not to tear the liner.
Okay.
Yeah, but you could use it as a saddlebag liner.
Yeah.
And that way you can take it out and use it like luggage too. So you could use it like luggage.
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
I suppose if you tore it up, you could always just use the trash bag in there. Yeah, I mean, it fits in there pretty good though.
Yeah. And you're actually not losing that much room depending on how packed you fill it. And you're right. I mean, it's nice and durable. You know. It's a pretty good deal.
So there you have it. Catch you on the next one. Peace.